Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 3AG020F, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide photos in a gallery on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open Google Photos, and then we have to hold on the photo that we want to hide. Next we have to swipe to the right where we have moved to locked folder. Here we have to set up our locked folder, so we have to set password to it. Then we have to click continue, move, and that's how you hide photos in a gallery on this device. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!